Welcome to this session. This session, we are going to discuss a problem, testing on application of composition of functions. So here's the problem. If f of x given by minus 5x minus 3, g of x given by minus x plus k, and h of x given by 6x plus 5, find k and alpha if f composed with g composed with h, you get alpha x minus 18. Now, to solve this problem, you simply need to interpret this composition, and then the answer you get after computing this composition from these three functions equate to alpha x minus 18, then solve for the unknown k and alpha. Solution: f composed with g composed with h is the same as writing f of g of h of x. That is step 1. Step 2, this is the same thing as writing f of now g of h of x. Now, what you do now, you start working from the right. So we'll have f and then g of, so h of x becomes the input of the g function. So h of x, you write 6. So that's what we have. Now, I think the original definition, g of x is x minus x plus k, which means that this function g, when it is given an input called x, it always gets the negative of the input and then adds a constant k. So when you give it 6x plus 5, it will do the same job. It will pick that input, negates it, and then after negating the input, it adds k. So that is how the function g operates. So which on simplification will give us minus 6x minus 5 plus k. And then you can write, because k is a constant, you can write this one in a nice form. As f minus 6 plus k minus 5. Now we ask ourselves, how does the f function operate? F function operates on the principle that when you give it an input, it takes -5, multiplies the input, and then subtracts 3. So it will do the same thing when we give it this input. So it will take -5, multiplies by the input, and then after multiplying the input by -5, subtract 3. So we have F composed with G composed with H of X will be, so just open this, minus 5 by minus 6 is 30 X, and then minus 5K, minus 5 minus 5 gives us positive 25, and then minus 3, which is the same thing as saying 30X minus 5K, 25 minus 3 is 22. We can write this one as 30X plus 22 minus 5K. So this is the final answer for F composed with G composed with H. And in the problem, we were told that this answer is equivalent to alpha x minus 18. So it means 30x plus 22 minus 5k is equals to alpha x minus 18. Now for these two sides to be the same, or for this question to make sense, then the constants must be the same, and also the coefficients of x's must be the same. So this implies that alpha must be 30, and this constant 22 minus 5k must be the same as minus 18. So taking this to the right-hand side, we'll have 22, and then this will be plus 18 equals to 5k. 22 plus 18 is 40 equals to 5k. So which means that k is 8. So therefore, the solution to the question, alpha is 30 and k is 8. You can always prove that result. So that's the solution to that. Thank you.